Alright guys, I'm back again with the Madden 11. I just want to show you something real quick. Watch this. Alright, he's going, it dives. Boom! Dang, alright, let me do that back again. I'll show you. Different view this time. Hold on. The side view right here. He's going, he dives. Boom! Freaking airplane him. Hold up. Alright, I got it up close. Let's put this in slow motion. Boom, he dives. Airplane. Ah, man, I'm surprised he didn't break the bone on that one. Good job, Jones. Good job. Sticking in there. Close up right here. Regular motion. Had it hurt. Man 11. Show you one more. In regular motion. Regular motion this time. Let's go. Alright. Thank you. Subscribe me. Man 11. Cowboys all the way.